guys, so the giveaway for GravGrip V2 is finally over and it's time to choose the lucky winner. I just wanted to quickly thank everyone who participated in the giveaway and took their time to do all the steps that have been required. Unfortunately, there can be only one winner, and just before I announce the lucky name, I just want to quickly share with you that if you haven't won it today, we prepared a really amazing discount for you. You can get $10 off on your GravGrip purchase using my link in the description. So you can get GravGrip for $29 instead of $39. So I really think it's an awesome deal for everyone who's interested in this accessory. Just bear in mind that this promotion won't last very long. It's gonna be available for a few following days. It's just a way to say thank you and in a way reward all of you who took part in the giveaway. Okay, so let's take a look who won GravGrip. Okay guys, so the reason why I decided to choose this particular website is simply because I wanted to make sure that this giveaway is fair and square, in which everyone has an equal chance to win the prize. Okay, so let's do this. So as you see, 103 people took part in the giveaway. Honestly, I thought it's gonna be a little bit more, but that's also good. Anyway, so I'm going to click on Ready to Award. And since it's my first time, so please be patient with me. And the winner is, it's really hard to read, Vanquish Quater. So please contact me either on my email or on my Instagram account, ideally on both, because I really don't want to miss a message from you. Okay, so congratulations on your new accessory. Please don't forget to share whatever amazing things you managed to capture using your camera and GravGrip with hashtag. Once again guys, big thanks for taking part in the giveaway. Thank you so much for being a part of this community and see you guys in the next one.